The production of wheatgrass powder is divided into three important processes: plantation, extraction, and packaging. Beginning with the plantation process, first and foremost, only the best quality wheat grains are selected, cleaned, and stored. Our uniqueness is our seeds are planted in a low temperature room with temperatures of around 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. Another unique feature of ours is wheatgrass cultivated using the high-tech and bacteria-free method of Indo-aeroponic cultivation system. This method is a breakthrough from the traditional cultivation method. In this method, no soil is involved, and most importantly, it guarantees the healthy growth of the wheatgrass, free from fungal and bacterial contamination at all levels. With the help of biotechnology, wheatgrass is nourished with nutrient liquid produced by the fermentation of bean dreg. This process enables even distribution onto each wheatgrass, ensuring a constant delivery of nutrients to the plant. This method not only increases the nutrient uptake by the wheatgrass, but also produces a higher quality and yield of wheatgrass. Other high-tech methods used are the ultraviolet sterilized water filter and air circulation system. Coupled with artificial sunlight and controlled temperature, it provides optimum conditions for the wheatgrass planting process. The Wheatgrass Growth Analysis Report from the Japan Food Analysis Center clearly shows that on the 8th day of growth, the level of nutrients in the wheatgrass are at its optimum level. This is when the wheatgrass is harvested. After this, the leaves and roots are cleaned and sent for low temperature drying using the centrifugation method, then ground into an ultra-fine powder by low temperature ultra-fine grinding. This product uses a technique where the roots and leaves are produced in accordance with the medical herb concept. Wheatgrass leaf, which is known to be cooling by nature, is evenly balanced out by its root, which is heaty in nature. Compared to the other wheatgrass products in the market, only wheatgrass comes complete with the root. Traditional cropping techniques are only able to absorb nutrients from the wheatgrass leaves, thus ignoring the root. Its side effects are nausea and dizziness, especially in females. This is where wheatgrass powder differs from the rest, as it is the only wheatgrass powder drink that combines the nutrition of the leaves and its roots. Wheatgrass powder has 4 unique features: the king of alkaline food, complete food, green blood, and wound recovery. Wheatgrass is known as the king of alkaline food because it has the highest content of alkaline, approximately 66.4 megahertz, making it the most alkaline food. Its closest rival alkaline food, which is spinach, has a content of 39.6 megahertz of alkaline. This is also the reason why people use wheatgrass as a form of medication to treat all kinds of gastric problems and diseases related to acidity in the body. Wheatgrass is also known as green blood due to the similarity of the molecule structure of its chlorophyll, which is quite the same as the hemoglobin structure in our human red blood cells. The only difference is the existence of ferrum and magnesium in the blood and chlorophyll content. Therefore, chlorophyll can be easily combined with red blood cells to stimulate growth. Hence, it is the best recommended health food for anemia patients. It is also a kind of natural complete food that is high in energy and rich in vitamins. There are 13 types of vitamins, 10 kinds of minerals, 17 kinds of amino acids, and more than 100 kinds of enzymes, including abscisic acid, that helps to fight cancer. So it's good for patients with nutrition imbalance. The root of wheatgrass is rich in nutrients, enzymes, and active ingredients. There are 13 out of the 17 kinds of amino acids from wheatgrass that can be found in the root. For recuperating purposes, wheatgrass is able to supply a complete nutritional range to our body cells, especially injured cells, to speed up the healing process. Apart from that, Active ingredients, which include more than 100 types of enzymes with a natural anti-inflammation effect, also help to eliminate toxic cells in our body. Diabetic patients especially may find it beneficial to take the wheatgrass supplement internally and externally. At present, wheatgrass remains the most effective and safest health food. Its uniqueness is its ability to strengthen the immune system, to cleanse toxins in our body system, while at the same time keeping us healthy. Wheatgrass powder is the only wheatgrass that is recognized and certified by many countries in Asia, such as the Ministry of Health Malaysia, Food and Drug Administration, Ministry of Public Health Thailand, the National Agency of Drug and Food Control Indonesia, and the Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare Japan for its safe consumption.